morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. So you guys, I said let me vlog with my camera. Like, I haven't been using my camera to vlog. I've just been using my phone. So I was like, let me not get too used to using my phone and not using my camera. So hi, if you are new here, hi, my name is Temtope Banks and I am an Abuja based YouTuber content creator. So you guys, this morning I'm going to show you guys my setup. I have a Skype meeting this morning with some sponsors on my other channel. I'm just going to look at my phone. This is my setup. Let me jump on my Skype call. I'll see you guys later. Hi, good morning.
Hi. Good morning. I'm not sure how I will pronounce your name, but I'm trying. Your name is Kenito.
I just finished from my Skype meeting and I just wanted to have a conversation about what my house is currently looking like and some thoughts about renovating. So this is my living room. I have done a video before on the transformation of what it was before and what it is right now, or yeah, but that was over a year ago, and since that time a lot has happened. So you can see that we have like water issues. It's a general problem in Abuja. Most houses have these issues. So normally, like if you just take a look at the walls, so it wasn't as bad as this before. It was me and I was like, oh, I wanted to, because I still have the paint, I wanted them to screed it like a short-term solution, but the boys, they just did nonsense. So I was like, my husband was like, okay, let's just wait and do like proper tiling of the entire surface. Okay, but I have an issue with tiling it all the way up. That's one option. Then the other option is to use wallpaper or paint. Anyway, let me sit down. Giving the place a facelift. I'm thinking of repainting this space, okay, to either paint it white, okay. But my issue with white color, here's my issue. So sorry guys, my battery just died. So I was saying that if you look at the colors on my tiles, you see gray, some sort of burnt orange, cream. So I'm thinking that proper white will not work. So I'm thinking of either doing like an ivory color or a cream color. Those are two things on my mind. Okay, and I just want to do some makeover, like not again but some makeover. Then for my kitchen, my kitchen is very tiny. If you have not seen the renovation we did before, it's looking like this. Please check it out. So I'm also thinking of putting like cupboards or shelves. I don't know, but those are things that are on my mind that I want to do, okay, so that, I don't know, the quality of videos, because I realized that, like it or not, people are watching you, so just make it what's the word now, yeah, it has to be pleasing to the eyes, okay. And it's not like other colors don't pop, but I realized that with white, it has, or with brighter colors, it gives your video a more well polished look. That's the word, a more well polished look. So yeah, that's what I wanted to discuss with you guys. What do you guys think? Should I retain this color, or should I just go with cream or ivory? Those are the two things I'm thinking about. Or wallpaper, but I still have paint, because when we bought the this paint, they still have like a big tub. So what it is, or whether I should just paint it and just call it a day instead of putting wallpaper. So I'm in between. Should I just paint it or put wallpaper? those are the two things I'm just asking myself. Okay, because I still have pain, so I won't spend money to do that. All I may just need to do is to ensure that they use more water resistant thing, which has not really been working. I'll just close my eyes and put the towels. Okay, because once you put the towels, the water thing would, at least that's a more permanent solution. So people should advise me in the comment section. But you guys, let me sit down. The issue I have with towels all the way up is that all these African magic Yoruba films, when they are going to stay in a hotel, it's always like that, and there's a look that I have in my mind that I feel like if we do that, it's not, I don't know, it's not just going to make sense to me. Oh, do you get? So I don't know, I'm thinking I should just go for wallpaper. With wallpaper, that's what's in my mind. Then I'm also thinking of the lights, changing the lights, because the lights that we have currently, some have even died safe. It's energy saving. So there's, when you go to some places, it's not like it's anything, it's just the lighting that's in that particular space, so it's brighter and it just makes your videos come out better. So I really need, because I feel like, what do I do? How can I improve? So I'm thinking of changing the lighting, and instead, because we are currently using energy saving bulbs, which is good, which is nice, but because it's energy saving bulbs, it's not, there's this brightness that you want to see that you may not just get with the energy saving bulbs. So those are things that I've been thinking about. Yes, my grandmother used to say that soup when sweet na money kill am. People should please watch my art so that I can have money to do this renovation. Because no, please, we are begging. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Now
we were dancing like this.
You want to dance?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to show us how to dance?
Yes.
Show us how you were dancing.
Yes.
How are you dancing?
Yes. What?
Let's do something. Curate us. It's fun.
Get up when you break wide open. It's the ocean, I just impose it.